It's all right. We all do. This is what life is all about. Thank you so much for attending this first ever IM Talks, and I would like to thank the entire team of IM Karachi for putting it together. I see some familiar faces, and my journey as a musician started at a very young age. So what I would like to do is take you through that journey musically. I have my acoustic guitar here, and I have a dear friend who's going to accompany me on stage. His name is Dilawar Sen. Please welcome him. And yes, I'm also aware of the teleprompter. I'll make it as short and as precise as I can. Not too far away from this vicinity is a place called Block 2 PCH, is very close to Tariq Road, if you are familiar with that. I was born and raised in this part of Tariq Road, very close to Noorani Kebab House, agar aap sab Karachi se waqif hain. In a very humble, middle-class Christian background, that's where I come from, not a religious man at all. Music happened to me. Music came to me, and I would like to admit that. I would like to believe in that. Because very few kids at my age, when I was 8.5, were interested in playing, learning, practicing, because everybody wanted to play cricket, spend time with their cousins, their relatives. But there I was, a 9-year-old boy, had no moral support from my family, because they probably thought that I'm going crazy at the age of 9 playing music. But to date, I must say that I still remember that feeling that I had when I started playing an acoustic guitar. And even now, what I feel is what I feel, but music is something that resonates with everyone. My parents were conservative in their own way, considering that I was the eldest boy. I have an elder sister, but you know what the culture of Pakistan is. Men are supposed to take the lead and become breadwinners. And there's a training process that you go through as a child, as a boy. And I completely did not go through that at all. I had my own, let's say my own ways to deal with everything that was happening around me. So I would like to take you through different phases. So many restrictions, but a lot of passion. I still believe that music is driven by passion, music is driven by your energy, and music is also driven by the truth that is within you. If you're a good musician, छोटा मोटा झूठ तो बोल लेंगे, लेकिन जिंदगी सच्ची जीनी चाहिए. My mom used to literally throw me out every afternoon because I used to practice every afternoon for almost 4 hours, and there I was sitting outside on the staircase. और मोहल्ले वाले दोस्त जो गुजरता था, सबके अपने अपने कोई नाम रखे हुए थे उन्होंने मेरे लिए, लेकिन किसी को पता नहीं था कि मैं करने क्या वाला हूँ, तो मुझे भी नहीं पता था. And let's fast forward that, because time is very important and time is also the enemy. Teenager, I found some musicians, like-minded musicians in that very popular Tariq Road area, and I started playing as a session musician. Very hard to satisfy my parents even then. I wasn't earning much, and I just kept on going. I just knew that if I keep on going, I will find a way, I will find people, I will find what I'm looking for. I still don't know if I found what I'm looking for, but I found hope. I found hope within people around me. Keeping in mind the structure of the city, There's so many kinds of people that you live and breathe and work amongst. I was very, very lucky to find my early, क्या कहना चाहिए, उस ज़माने के musician friends, and I used to feel so good. There were many, many hurdles, obstacles. If I start counting them and explaining right now what I went through, it will take too much time. So I'll try to stick to what is coming to my head. The only thing or the only feeling that kept me going was what I have around me. This is not just a guitar, this is an extension of my personality. This is like a true extension of my personality. I think with my 6 strings. और थोड़ा सा कभी कभार प्रॉब्लम हो जाता है कि if the thinking is not right, the tuning goes off. I remember even now that till I was 21, 22, I had problems, but I kept going. I kept believing in myself that one day I will turn it around. And guess what happened? I made my first band when I was 22 years of age, and we composed our first song, Aankhon Ke Sagar. And that just resonated with everyone around me, and there we were as a band coming out together by the name of Fusion. Fusion आया, Fusion ने 5 साल परफॉर्म किया पाकिस्तान में, पाकिस्तान से बाहर, और हम जहाँ भी जाते हैं और अभी भी जाते हैं और जाते थे, हम कोशिश यही करते थे कि हम एक रियल पिक्चर दें अपने चाहने वालों को, अपने फैंस को, अपने फॉलोअर्स को, of the entire country and obviously the city that we come from. Many ups and downs in the professional career, many changes, big disappointments, periods of major depression. But music and staying true to what I believe in just kept me going and still keeps me going. एक कहानी जाते जाते मैं आप लोग से शेयर करना चाहूँगा कि nothing is easy for anyone. I'm not extraordinary. We are all extraordinary sitting here. People who are outside driving in this chaotic city. Everyone is very, very extraordinary. We're all resilient. We've seen a lot as people, as citizens. थोड़ी देर पहले एग्जाम्पल दी थी अब्दुल सत्तार रिज़वी साहब की, वो हैं एक्स्ट्रॉर्डनरी लोग. अदीब रिज़वी साहब हैं बड़े एक्स्ट्रॉर्डनरी आदमी, और यहाँ पे मेरे सामने खालिद अमन साहब, मैम, एंड Anushe is the one who started the VJ culture in Pakistan. Don't forget that. So she actually also has transformed the way people think, women think about themselves, presenting themselves in front of people with a lot of courage and hope. So we were actually a part of a movement back then, 10 years ago.
This isn't about me.
No, it's about us. It's about everyone. Music is about everyone. Music is about everyone who's sitting here. Music is about everyone who's listening and understanding. And if you're not understanding, it will come to you. मैं एक स्टोरी शेयर करने जाऊंगा, 2 मिनट लूंगा और उसके बाद चलता बनूंगा क्योंकि टाइम बड़ा छोटा है. मैंने PCHS में स्टूडियो बनाया ड्यूरिंग द टाइम ऑफ फ्यूजन. बड़ा एक फीडबैक था, लोग आना शुरू हुए. फॉर सम स्ट्रेंज रीजन माय नेबर्स हैड अ प्रॉब्लम विद दैट प्लेस, इवन दो वी आर डूइंग नथिंग रॉन्ग बाय द वे, वी वर जस्ट मेकिंग म्यूजिक. 9 बजे रात को घर चले जाते थे. So they filed a complaint with the Union Council at that time. और उस वक्त यूनियन काउंसिल में एक पाकिस्तान की पॉलिटिकल पार्टी थी, which was a religious party. There I was, Shalom Xavier, Block 2 PCHS, a musician, long hair, and with a very different name. They summoned me कि आए जी यूनियन काउंसिल आए, आपके स्टूडियो में क्या हो रहा है? मैंने कहा एक काम करें, सेल फोन्स में कैमरे आ गए थे, मैंने कहा आप लोग कैमरे लेके आ जाएं, मुझे भी पब्लिसिटी की जरूरत है, आए लेकर आए। कहते नहीं जी आप स्टूडियो बंद करेंगे अपना। मैंने कहा यार मैंने बड़ी मेहनत से बनाया स्टूडियो, इट्स वन ऑफ माय many dreams that everybody has, and I've made a studio actually at the place I was born at. So मैंने स्टूडियो बनाया, लेकिन किसी ने ना कोई सुनी मेरी। उस वक्त बड़ा अच्छा the heydays of the initial period of my band, but I had no support. There was no one there to help me. मैंने कहा क्या करें, concerts हो रहे थे, चीजें हो रही थी, I kept going, I kept doing my thing. One day I came back from a television recording, it was like an interview, and I saw a big bulldozer taking off the front wall of my studio. This is not too long ago, 8 years ago. उस बुलडोजर ने मेरे स्टूडियो को तोड़ दिया, उसने तोड़ दिया स्टूडियो को, and there I was calling up my friends and मैंने कहा really that happened? मैंने कहा yes it happened, I'm making a video of it. After a very long time I actually cried. I cried, literally I cried. I don't want to make anyone emotional, लेकिन पता नहीं क्यों इन लाइट्स से मुझे वो टाइम याद आ रहा है, maybe it's the blue lights. I was alone, I was like standing in front of that naked wall that I had, and I just kept thinking, what am I doing wrong here? What just happened? I'm trying to make an earning for myself, और ये होगा, लेकिन उस वक्त भी I'm not an exaggerator and I will not exaggerate. मैं उसी टूटी दीवार में से अंदर गया, मेरे पास एक acoustic guitar था सर. Why I'm looking at you is because I seen you when I was a child play Pira Ho. मैंने सर I made a song जो बाद में नींद ना आए बन गया था. उसके हमने रोमांटिक शायरी डाल दी थी because we wanted the song to sell. So I made a tune and I remember that after that I didn't look back. I just kept going. I made 2 studios, 3 studios after that in this very city. मेरा कहने का मकसद है कि इस तरह की एग्जाम्पल्स बहुत लोगों के साथ होते रहे और भी स्टोरीज हैं, कभी किताब लिखूंगा तो पता चलेंगी. But I'm still very, very happy. I'm blessed. I'm happy to be standing here alive in front of you. I'm happy to be in this country that एक दीवार गिरने से मेरी होप्स नहीं मरी, क्योंकि इस मुल्क ने मुझे बहुत बड़ा मकाम दिया है. इस मुल्क की वजह से मुझे पहचाना जाता है दुनिया में, और इस मुल्क की वजह से मेरी थोड़ी बहुत इज्जत है. मेरा बस आप सबको जाते जाते यही छोटा सा नोट है कि मुश्किलात आएंगी. There'll be many hard times. That's what life is all about, ups and downs. But you just have to believe in who you are, your calling, and find something to do that you love. Find something to do that you love, because life would be meaningless without it. It's a short life that we have on this planet. So जो आपकी calling है, जो आपके दिल में है, उसको करें और अपनी मेहनत से करें, दिन रात एक कर दें. और एक दिन ज़रूर आएगा कि अभी नहीं तो कभी और सही, कि आपकी आवाज़ सुनी जाएगी. You will be appreciated, you will be loved, and you'll be a part of a great universal cycle. And जाने से पहले मैं थोड़ा सा शो ऑफ करूँगा गिटार पे, आपकी इजाज़त से, ठीक है? थोड़ा सा टाइम है. Thank you so much. Thank you.